I'm surprised.
It's a kabuki.
It looks like a French flag behind. It's like a French flag behind.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
A little kabuki.
Like
Kabuki is
his
like
difference.
theater in the street, right?
Theater.
Just theater.
It's like opera, no?
It's not that big theater, but kind of small.
Yeah. So it's
I thought it used to be like something that happens in the street, but it's not something that used to happen in the street. It was.
Do you know what is the gate name?
Kaminari.
Kaminari.
Kaminari. Mon means gate.
Mo means gate.
Kaminari means thunder.
Thunder.
Thunder gate.
Oh, okay.
So this street, there is first gate. The corner. It's 100 yen.
So this name is
Omikuji.
Omikuji. The best fortune. The best fortune? Yes.
Oh, same.
Same. Best fortune.
The person you are waiting for will
Will
come.
come. Oh.
Oh, you have
The
girlfriend.
person you're waiting for will come. Wow. What is it? Oh,
Bad virgin! Oh my god!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. The same. Very fortune. Oh, you want to try again? Is it possible to won again?
Yeah.
Oh,
My
really?
dad told me if you don't like it, just
Oh,
take your
really?
fortune.
Oh,
Same one.
really?
I had enough luck this year. I'm fine.
But I have a good luck, so I can give you. Yeah.
Share a bit of luck.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we can share.
Actually, but Chico has the most luck among us.
No. I mean, you have bad fortune now, but now you live here, so
okay.
you could
I'm
not.
free from bad.
Yes. Okay. When returning in France or Luxembourg, you will be free.
Don't believe too much. It's an interesting experience.
Well, the best would be to find something you never lost, like find 500 euros somewhere.
Yeah.
You know, that's real luck.
Luis, good fortune. You should buy, so you can change.
That's how to make business, right? So there is like a lot of bad fortune and two with like good fortune, and then you come and
Yeah.
Isn't it like very crowded usually?
I think, yeah.
Because I've seen videos
Think
on
so.
YouTube, it was really cool.
Yeah. Maybe in the afternoon, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
This one is more like a premium and more expensive. Is Alipay?
No, AU pay.
AU Pay. Oh, okay.
こちらカスタードですね。
カスタード。
あとお芋です。
はい。
小豆でございます。
はい。ありがとうございます。
どうもありがとうございます。
This one is red bean and
Take it.
it's potato
Potato. Hi.
Custard?
Custard.
and this one is a curd. But before you eat, which part do you want to eat first?
For me, head. From head.
Head?
Head, okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
There
Yeah,
is no
basic.
rule, but some people start from here, but some people start from here.
For me also, I want head.
Yeah, head is better. I mean,
Yeah,
makes
yeah,
sense, right?
yeah.
Okay. Should I cut it or just eat?
Just eat. Yeah. Be careful. It's hot. Good. Let's cycle. Recycle. Yeah.
Okay. One bite.
It's really hot. What opposite? Yeah. Oh yeah.
I want to eat pasta.
It's sweet potato. I just thought it's just potato. But it's sweet potato. Yeah. Okay. It's sweet potato. I didn't know that.
I like this.
I don't like it.
Oh, I like. Good. Sweet potato. Yeah. Because in Korea also we have a 붕어빵, dish bread. But there is really cheap.
You're hot.
Oh yeah. So change maybe? So you, I don't know.
He was sick.
Because too hot.
This face is positive
Yeah,
smile,
okay.
positive face.
Yeah.
I'm not suffering. So after finishing, maybe if Hirai-san have time,
Yeah.
maybe we go to the izakaya
Yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah.
I have to leave around 9.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can I join you guys again tomorrow?
Oh. Yeah. Why not?
Don't
Yeah.
mind.
Yeah. And we should make the plan for tomorrow. In the izakaya. Important.
You like drinking?
Uh,
No, really?
He already
Nowadays-
had one beer.
wait.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
I thought you had a beer in sushi restaurant.
We should change.
No penalty.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry.
I didn't just.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Nowadays not really, but when I'm young, I really like drink. But nowadays not too much. It's not interesting. So I don't know why.
But did you hot second?
I think so.
Oh, really?
But like in winter, we drink. I mean, I'm from northern part of Japan,
Oh.
so a lot of like
Oh,
grandpa.
me too, no?
Yeah, me
sake.
too.
Where?
Akita.
Yamagata.
Oh, neighbors.
Ah, really? Who's the north? The
Another.
northern?
Yeah.
Okay.
But Tohoku area.
Oh.
Northern part. He's from northern part of France. So northern tip.
Yeah.
And southern
Nearly
tip.
southern from the south.
何人だ ?1、2、3、4、5人
Ah.
Four people.
Maybe we can sit here. I'm not sure.
I think they are.
Yeah.
Let's just go straight
Okay.
and look
Yeah.
around. Hi. Can everyone
Yeah.
everyone has order one drink and one food?
Ah.
So this is the minimum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Is it okay? So yeah.